Okay, we have a Haas CNC Vertical Toolroom Machining Center, model TM1, serial number 35755. Machine was new in 2004. We're going to run her for you. Machine has a Haas CNC control. He's running the Z up and down right now. You can run it by pulse generator or by the control. You have a 10.5 by 47 3/4 inch table, 30 inches in the X. He's running the X right now, 12 in the Y, and 16 in the Z. He's using the pulse generator and he's using the control. You can also use hand wheels for the X and the Y. Moved all three. What's that?
Spindle's running at 1,000.
Spindle's running at 1,000 RPM right now. We're going up. Machine has up to 4,000 RPM. 2,500. 4,000, which is max. Okay. We're going to simulate a tool change. Great. It's got a 10 tool ATC automatic tool changer capacity. And hey, that was our video. Thanks for watching.